Another topic is about the hyperbolic functions, whereas it is almost the same with the trigonometric functions in terms of um, the basic functions. So for this one, there are changes like for the sine hx dx, or the integration of sine hx dx is equivalent to the positive cos x plus c, or the positive hyperbolic cos x. Okay, so let's have an example. So for this one, we just need to rewrite our equation into another form, like sec hyperbolic sec u, then hyperbolic tan u du. So for this equation, we can find that our u is equivalent to 1 over 4x, and its derivative is 1 over 4x. Okay, take note that we need our neutralizing factor 4. The next step is we need to input our new equation, that is the neutralizing factor and the integration of sec h 1 over 4x, then tan 1 over 4x, and we have 1 over 4 dx. And for the final answer, we just need to get the integration of our negative sec hx tan hx dx. That is the 4 and multiplied by the negative sec hx, then plus c, or we can simply write our equation as negative 4 hyperbolic sec x plus c. Okay, another example is the hyperbolic sec squared u du, and for this one, again, we just need to relate our equation into the formulas. For this one, we can find this as sec, or hyperbolic sec squared u and du. So for this one, we can simply find our u as ln x, and our du is equivalent to 1 over x dx. So therefore, our equation is hyperbolic sec squared ln x, then it's du, which is dx over x, or 1 over x times dx. And for this one, we just need to get its equivalent answer, which is tan hyperbolic, then it's u, that is ln x, then plus c.